Create your own snake game in Excel VBA. This is how this program is created. Anyone can create this program. This program is contained in an Excel macro-enabled workbook. First, the Excel macro-enabled workbook is created. The description of this video contains a link to a video demonstrating the creation of an Excel macro-enabled workbook. 8 YouTube videos describe the process of creating this program. These 8 videos are compiled into a YouTube playlist. The link to this playlist is in the description of this video. To create this program, simply select, highlight, copy, and paste text or controls using your mouse. You don't need to type anything yourself. The code for formatting the pasted controls is in the description of this video. Simply select it, copy it, and paste it into the program using your mouse. Once the input mask is ready, the main program code is inserted. You will receive the main code as a Word file attached to the email. This game is an Excel file programmed in VBA. The game is played from a user form. Playing field is 20 × 20 squares. In the beginning, the snake has a yellow head and 4 orange body parts. The snake is supposed to catch the blue rabbit. The rabbit doesn't run away and just waits for snake to catch it. After each captured rabbit, the snake's body becomes 1 box longer and the player receives 1 point. The snake can be up to 299 orange boxes long. The new rabbit appears in a different box. If the new rabbit cannot be seen, the snake should keep moving and the new rabbit will come out. 4 buttons with arrows control the movement of the snake. The direction of the arrow is the direction of movement. The game is started with the Start button. The 4 control buttons will be visible, and the result is no points if the snake leaves the playing field or bites into its own body. The 4 control buttons are hidden, and the game is cancelled.